Add a cup to water and pour it on your plants. Your tomatoes will keep producing until the first frost. Late summer is a crucial time for tomatoes. If you give them the right support, they'll reward you with beautiful, juicy fruits. At this stage, it's best to stop using nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which only encourage leafy growth. What the plants need now is something completely different. Into a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water, add 1 cup of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. It helps fruits ripen, strengthens the plants, and makes them more resistant. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb nutrients. Regular use of ash reduces the risk of fungal diseases that often strike tomatoes late in the season. Mix everything well and water your plants. You'll quickly notice that the fruits are larger and the plants stronger. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy your harvest right up until the first frost. Use this natural fertilizer once every 10 days, and you'll see just how long and abundantly your tomatoes can produce.